Now we can use the WhatsApp app to generate cool videos. Want to try it? Watch until the end.
Yep, you heard that right. There's a new WhatsApp AI bot called Sumrize, and it can actually create videos as good as VO 3.1. Crazy, right? So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, step by step. Step 1. Accessing the Sumrize AI bot. First, let's start by adding the bot to WhatsApp. Just copy the Sumrize AI phone number I've put in the description below. Then open your WhatsApp app, tap New Chat, and select New Contact. Type any name you want. It doesn't matter. Just make sure the country is set to United States. Now paste the number, hit save, and boom, you're ready to go. Step 2, trying the text to video feature. All right, now let's test the magic. Open the chat with Sumrize AI and type /createvideo, followed by your prompt. Then just hit send. Wait a few seconds and watch the magic happen. The result? A stunning HD video with no watermark. Yup, totally clean and ready to share.
Now we can use the WhatsApp app to generate cool videos. Want to try it? Watch until the end.
Step 3. Trying the image to video feature. But wait, it gets even cooler. Sumrize AI can also generate an image and turn it into a video. Here's how. First, type /createimage followed by your prompt. And hit send. In just a few seconds, your image will appear. Now, let's turn that image into a video. Just send the image to the chat again, type /createvideo, with your video prompt, hit send, and let it process. And that's it. You'll get a smooth, realistic video made directly inside WhatsApp. No extra apps, no editing tools needed. So yeah, who would have thought WhatsApp could become a full-blown AI video generator? If you want to try it out yourself, the link and number are in the description. Go have fun experimenting. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love AI tools as much as we do. See you in the next one. And hey, maybe next time we'll make a WhatsApp movie.